How to track your mood with Apple Health. In iOS 17, Apple in the Health app has added the ability to track your emotions on a daily basis, to give you an overall picture of mental well-being. Through Health app notifications or the Apple Watch, you can log your moods at different times throughout the days and input and overall moods for the day. Logging moods presents a slider bar with options ranging from very unpleasant to natural to pleasant. The options are color coded. Very unpleasant is purple, natural is blue, and very pleasant is orange. And the idea is to drag the slider to the closest representation of your current mood. From there, Apple asks you what best describe the feeling and presents a list of adjectives related to the mood that you have. You can select from the very pleasant mood, for example, as options like amazed, peaceful, joyful, and calm. The very unpleasant mood includes angry, sad, drained, and stressed, while natural moods include peaceful, indifference, and content. You cannot input your own adjective and must use on one of the suggestions from Apple. There are a few dozen total options, so that idea is just to choose the closest match. After you have selected a mood and an accompanying adjectives for it, Apple asks what's causing the mood. Options include health, fitness, family, friends, partners, dating, weather, money, and current events. But again, you have to choose from Apple list. You can, however, and context in this section, so you can write down details on why you have chosen a specific category. To create your first long and your emotional states or moods in iOS 17, follow the steps below. In the Health app, select the Browse tab, then under the Health Categories tab, Mental Well-being. Under the No Data Available, No States of Mind, to get Get the Started. Choose log how you feel right now or how you felt overall today, then app next. Use the slide to log your emotions or moods on a spectrum from very unpleasant to the very pleasant, then tab next. Choose a word that best describes this feeling, then tab text. Choose from the options but having the bigger impact on you, then tab done. That's all there is to all. Your logs can be viewed at any time using the state of mind card in the mental well-being sections of the health apps. Get reminder to log your states of mind. At the bottom of the states of mind section is an options menu that include a toggle that you can enable to get a reminder to log your emotional states or mood during your days or at the end of the day.